Hello and welcome. You're watching WION World is One. My name is Heem Kaur Saroya and here's a look at all the top stories that we're tracking for you this morning. Maldives capital abuzz with preparations to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi as he is set to arrive shortly. The first state visit of the Prime Minister to the island nation since President Muizu assumed charge. Iranian diplomats to meet counterparts from Germany, Britain and France today for renewed nuclear talks amid warnings that the three European powers could trigger snapback sanctions outlined under the 2015 deal.
As we have had direct discussions with the Syrian government on this issue and have called for an immediate investigation into the matter.
U.S. State Department calls for an immediate investigation into recent death of a U.S. citizen in Syria, saying there have been direct discussions with the Syrian government about the issue. Over 100,000 people flee the bloodiest border fighting between Thailand and Cambodia in a decade as death toll rises to 14. UN Security Council set to hold an emergency meeting on the crisis. Russian President Vladimir Putin inaugurates new nuclear submarine, attending a ceremony in Russia's north. Kremlin says Knyaz Pozarsky is a fourth-generation nuclear submarine equipped with modern weapon systems. The United States joins Israel in pulling its negotiators from Gaza ceasefire talks, with Special Envoy Steve Witkoff blaming Hamas for failing to reach a deal and saying Washington would consider alternative options. A top U.S. Justice Department official spending hours grilling Ghislaine Maxwell, the imprisoned accomplice of sex offender Jeffrey Epstein, as President Trump struggles to tamp down furor over his handling of the case. President Trump says Australia will now allow U.S. beef imports, ending a years-long ban in a social media post. He called it proof that American beef is the safest and the best in the world and warned other countries still blocking it. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.